So here's a quick look at how MyLab is going to work. MyLab will work for our course this quarter. Whether you go directly to the Pearson site or whether you connect to MyLab directly through Canvas, you'll eventually end up at this course homepage. And what you'll have are these tabs, some information to work with. Homework will be a list of all available homework assignments. But if you go to the textbook, what you'll see is, so for example, go to Chapter 1. Chapter 1 will list all the sections that we'll be looking at. Any sections that I choose not to cover will not show up. And it'll have the same thing for each chapter: do homework, take quizzes, work in your study plan, and then these other resources. If you go to homework, you will see the assignments I've set up for the various sections. These homework assignments do not get graded. I will go through them and look at the work you're doing. If I see some patterns of problems you're getting wrong, things like that, I'll make comments. But what this does, it allows you to do problems, as many or as few as you want, that you think you need to understand the material. They have interactive problems. So for example, if I go here, here's a question. Loading, wait for it. So as x approaches 6, the value of blah, blah, blah approaches 107. Check my answer. Sorry, that's not correct. And what I can do is, over here, I can help me solve this. I can look at an example of how it works. This will walk me through step by step how to solve a certain problem. This takes me, if I click textbook, this takes me back to the section in the textbook that covers this particular problem. So the homework, it's interactive. It can help you solve things on the go. Ask my instructor. You can send me a question here if you'd like. But that's how the homework will be set up. Another feature will be your quizzes. You'll take quizzes. Currently you don't have any quizzes set up, but for each section you'll have a practice quiz and then a quiz that will get graded. These you will do in MyLab. That's the only thing that will get done in MyLab. Tests will be taken in the testing center. You'll have other documents, problem sets that you'll do, that you will work out on documents and then turn into me. And then you'll have the various sections of the book. So it starts out with a video presentation where someone talks about whatever the content material is.
In this segment, we'll discuss limits.
So there he is, talking about limits. And then textbook. Many of you, I'm sure, have used MyLab before and you're kind of used to what you get, but you'll get the textbook in electronic form, but then there are places where, so for example here, there may be an interactive figure. So what I can do is work through this, and these interactive figures allow you to kind of do some hands-on learning. There are also small videos. that will go
Consider the
over
function capital A.
that will go over the material, and then there are places where there are examples that you can go through. So as you're going through the material, you can be working to grasp the concepts. And that's basically what you'll see in each section. Section 1.2 is the same way. It's got the video presentation, the text, study plan. So in your study plan, it will go over the things as you take quizzes, as you do homework. What the study plan will do is show the things that you were missing, and that gives you an idea of the things you maybe need to spend a little more time studying, a little more time reading through, etc. So again, another kind of interactive tool that MyLab uses to help you move through the course material.